Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show. And for you today, we have chicken salad sliders. All right, to start off, I shredded up about a pound of chicken that I baked in the oven. Seasoning for the chicken was just, salt, pepper. And then we want to add one bunch of green onions that we chopped up, at least the green parts. If you want to add the whites, that's up to you, but then we want to add a half a cup of mayonnaise, one celery stalk that I diced up, about a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a quarter teaspoon of dill, about a quarter to a half a teaspoon of seasoning salt. I'm, of course, using Lawry's seasoning salt. And then freshly ground black pepper. And then give all this a mix. And you can store this in the fridge up to 24 hours before you make your sliders. Or do what I'm doing, and basically the second I get this mixed, I'm going to place the sliders on a griddle and give them a nice toast. Okay, like an absolute idiot, I forgot my camera wasn't recording, but as you can see here, all I did was place some of our chicken salad on the bottom slider bun, added some shredded cheddar cheese, and then, of course, some shreddis for a nice little bit of crispiness. Now, I'm just adding a little bit of mayo to the top slider bun. And that's really it. Chicken salad sliders. Done.